Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for GM's 1999 to 2006 1500 pickups.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift your vehicle and remove the bolt retaining the leaf spring. Cut off the factory rear forward leaf spring mount by cutting off the rivet heads holding it in place. Clear the rivet holes with a hammer and punch. Ensure to remove the lower mounting bracket as well. Step 3. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, followed by painting the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Hold the rear forward leaf spring mount up to the frame using the rivet holes to align it. Using the included hardware, bolt the mount in place as well as the mounting bracket. You will need a 15mm socket for both the nuts and the bolts. Finally, spray the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Reinstall your leaf spring and lower your vehicle. Now, get back out on the road.